Greetings, car fanatics. Do you want to add a dash cam to a Mercedes GLE like this or any other late model Mercedes? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a stealth dash cam from Fitcamx, and these dash cams are great. I've used them on my other cars, my other Mercedes, and my Kia Telluride. They're totally awesome and integrated seamlessly in the vehicle. Let's go ahead and check it out. The dash cam comes with a pry tool, SD card, and USB adapter to connect the SD card to your computer. The first thing you notice with the dash cam is the quality. The housing looks and feels like an OEM part. Installation is simple. Simply take the pry tool and start by prying the corners of the rearview mirror housing off. Then disconnect the plastic centerpiece on the housing by releasing the plastic tabs on each side. Here's a better look at the tabs that need to be depressed. Now you can remove the rest of the housing. Comparing the Fitcamx dash cam to the original housing, the fit and finish is very similar between the two. You can tell that the Fitcamx unit is very high quality. Now disconnect the white rearview mirror harness. Then we're simply going to plug the harness to the Fitcamx dash cam, which will power the dash cam. Clip in the Fitcamx dash cam and take the original plastic centerpiece and put it back in. Alright, check out our new stealth dash cam. It's barely noticeable compared to before, and it's perfectly integrated with the vehicle. It's awesome. Now let's set up the Fitcamx. You want to download the Fitcamx app on your phone, then open the app and connect it to the dash cam via Wi-Fi. Connect to CarCam and enter 1234567 as the password. Now we're connected and you can see live footage. Let's see what setting options we have. First, you can enable sound recording. You can also adjust the camera's exposure settings. You can also choose whether the camera records for 1 or 3 minutes at a time. There are also some collision settings, which only works if you hardwire the dash cam to a power source that remains on when the car is off. By default, however, this isn't available. And that's pretty much it. Let's check out the video quality. The video and audio quality are both pretty good. As far as what the camera can capture, think of it like an extension of your eyes. If you can see something, the camera can see it as well. For capturing license plates, it won't have the ability to see too far out beyond what your eyes can see, but as you get closer to vehicles, it can pick up license plates just fine. The camera also works well in low light and nighttime conditions. This is a clip of the Fitcamx camera on my other Mercedes, which uses the identical camera. Well, there you have it, car fanatics. This is how you add a stealth dash cam that's fully integrated into a Mercedes GLE. You could do this for any other late model Mercedes because Fitcamx has designs for those models. Well, thanks for watching, car fanatics. If you want to get one of these dash cams, take a look at the link in the description below, and I'll leave a link to where you can get it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave any comments or questions below, and be sure to hit the bell notification icon so you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.